Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI and how it can help us unlock essential classroom resources using AI tool directories. If you're a teacher, educator, or simply someone interested in educational technology, you won't want to miss this. So, let's get started. Now, let's set the stage. Imagine a classroom filled with engaged learners, each utilizing tailored resources that cater to their specific needs. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with the help of AI tool directories, that dream is becoming a reality. Section 1. What are AI tool directories? First things first, let's break down what an AI tool directory is. These directories are comprehensive lists of AI-powered tools designed to enhance learning experiences. From lesson planning to student assessment, AI tools can streamline processes that used to take hours. We'll look at some of the most popular directories out there, such as EdTech's AI Resource Hub and Classroom AI Suite. Have you guys used any of these before? Let me know in the comments. Section 2. The benefits of using AI tool directories. So, why should these directories be on your radar? For starters, they save time. When you can find the right tool for the job in just a few clicks, you can spend more time doing what you love, teaching. Now, let's talk personalization. AI tools can analyze student performance data to suggest specific resources tailored to individual learning styles. Trust me, this can transform the way students grasp difficult concepts. Let me know if you have tips on improving classroom personalization. Section 3. Real-life applications. Let's get into some examples of how educators like you are utilizing these resources in real time. I recently spoke to Ms. Smith, a middle school history teacher who discovered an AI tool that generates quizzes based on her lesson plans. She told me it has saved her hours each week. What tools have you discovered? Share your experiences. And speaking of sharing, I encourage you all to drop a like if you're learning something new today. It really helps me create content that's relevant to you. Also, if you want to stay updated on the latest in educational technology, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. Section 4. How to choose the right AI tools. Now, not every tool will be suitable for every classroom. So, how do you choose? I always recommend outlining your specific needs and use case scenarios first. Then, navigate the directories, filter through categories, and read reviews. Don't forget to test out demo versions whenever possible. Pro tip: always keep an eye out for free tools. Many educational AI tools offer free versions that can support small innovations without breaking the bank. If you have suggestions for budget-friendly tools, please drop them below. As we wrap things up, I want to encourage you all to explore these directories and give AI tools a spin in your own.